Yo, what is going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today, well, I'm re-recording this video. I recorded it this morning early, got up, got it done, and then I rechecked the video file, and it was just there was a bunch of static going on. It did not sound good, you know what I mean? I couldn't put it on YouTube. So, basically, what we're going to be doing today is reviewing an underrated pair of SBs, in my opinion. You guys may have caught these recently, the NICOLE HAUSE SB Dunk Low. We're going to get into it, showing y'all everything with these. I got the chain on them, just kind of tucked in, and yeah, we'll get into showing y'all this pair. If you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Let's try to 300 in this video. That's the normal goal we always shoot for. You guys can also check me out on my Instagrams down below. I got tons of stuff for sale on my story, and I mean, I got a website coming soon, and you know, I post some early pair photos, things like that there. So if you guys ever want to stay tuned, make sure you guys check me out there. And of course, us at Resale Vision, do not forget, we are giving away a pair of the Wizard of Oz SB Dunk Low. Y'all can see, I mean, these are so clean, you know what I mean? I'm kind of just holding them like that right there. But yeah, if you want a chance to win these for free, and you can see some of the undermarket sneakers we did last night, we do them every single day. So don't miss out. That's what we do. Check it all out down below in the pinned comment. But yeah, getting that all out of the way, why don't we get started and review these SBs? So the first thing with the NICOLE HAUSE SB Dunk Low, just a normal purple box. Really don't got anything too crazy. And actually getting up and showing you all the pair, you guys can see that kind of nice blue plaid swoosh. And overall, really nice leather on these. I actually want to get in to showing y'all the leather and different materials we got on this sneaker. So as you guys can see, leather quality on these is A1. Very well done. Nicely done, Nike. As you can see, very soft. Just seems like it'd be a comfortable pair to wear. And check that out. So, big fan of that. I don't mind the blue plaid also. And I also like the fact that these are cheap right now. They're like, you know, a brick. I mean, you look at them, they're going for like $120, $140, so pretty much retail price. In a couple weeks, they'll probably be under retail. I mean, check that out. We got NICOLE HAUSE, their signature right there, Nike SB, on the tongue tag and on the back here. By the heel, you guys can see what it says. Just says Nike, and it kind of peeping through. It's that same blue plaid pattern, but it looks like the sky almost. If you actually take a look, looks like the sky going through. You know, sky, the clouds. I don't know. That's at least how I see it a little bit, and I'll kind of explain why I'm saying that in a second. The insoles on these play a little bit more into that, and you guys can see it says "Victory of the People" on the inside there, and that's a dove. I'll get into showing you all that again in a second. And yeah, I'll grab the other pair right here we got. Very clean, as you guys can see. I like this. Personally, it's my style. I would remove the chain on them, right? We got this right here, just as NH for NICOLE HAUSE. And if you flip it to the other side, right, you guys can also see it says, if this works for me, I'm going to cut my fingernails. I need to do that today. That's so random I said that. But yeah, on the other side it says Nike SB. Maybe y'all can see that. There you go. Nike SB. So that's what we got right there. And on the bottoms, just, you know, all white. I can understand why people don't like these. Because again, all white bottoms, you know, very, you know, can get dirty. Like, no problem. You know what I mean? It would just a little bit of dirt. Boom. You got a stain on them. And yeah, it's just, you know, can sometimes be a bit hard to wear white shoes. But I think this is a good pattern, white and blue. You can't go wrong. Also, I'm pretty sure there's like a dunk high, like the Mueller SB high or something like that. I can't remember the name. Might just be a regular dunk high. But it's like this same white and blue pattern. They're very similar. And those go for like $300. If those can go for like $300, and these are at $120, $140, and it's basically a low top version of those, but it's a collab. I mean, yeah, these will eventually go up, but it's going to take a bit. You know what I mean? There's a lot of these out there right now, so keep that in mind. But aside from the soles, which I just showed y'all, toe box, pretty normal, pretty simple. I don't really feel like we got too much going on there. White laces. We also got some other really nice extra laces with these. This is just my size, so I'm going to be keeping this pair. Might have to tow some of these extra laces with them. You can see it's not really showing, but let me take these out and show them to you all so you can see. There we go. So those are the laces we got. Those blue plaid ones or blue speckled ones, and then those kind of lighter blue fat laces. I think these would look really nice on them. All of these could work, but those would look really nice on these, because the blue is like perfectly matching to what we got on the inside of the heel right there, and also matches pretty nicely with the swoosh as well. So that's really the close-up view I can show you guys for the NICOLE HAUSE's. Very well done SB, in my opinion. I think it's a bit underrated. You know, you could argue, oh, it's not everybody's style, just not really for me. More or less a GR pair. It doesn't seem like it has the full effort of a collab. And I would say I kind of agree with you on some of those points. But let me take this insole out also, because I told y'all I was going to do this. So not an ordinary insole on this shoe. So as you guys can see here, the insoles on this pair, you guys can see the dove, and it says victory of the people. I was saying for the people, but yeah, victory of the people, and the dove, and then the sky. So that's also why I was saying on the back here by the heel kind of looks like the sky peeping through, because, I mean, the blue plaid swoosh, yes, it's what it's really based off. It's just that blue plaid pattern going through it, but it also kind of looks like that. You know what I mean? So I thought that was really cool. And again, there's lots of nice small touches to this SB Dunk Low. I think it's a bit underrated. Those are the insoles we got. Let me put these back in the shoe. This is the thing I like about SBs. It's easy to take the insoles out. Everything is just, look at that, just fits together well. Easy. So yeah, that's what we got with this particular pair, the NICOLE HAUSE SB Dunk Low. I'm going to get into showing y'all some B-roll shots though for this particular pair, because these are nice. I want to show you guys some details up close, and yeah, I'm glad I was able to re-record this and it worked. You know what I mean? My camera was giving me some issues, but we got it fixed. New camera soon? I don't know. Hopefully not. I don't want a new camera soon. I want this one to keep working, because cameras are expensive. You know what I mean? Shout out all my people in, you know, photography and all that. You know what I mean? It's, hey, the new cameras, it's crazy. You know what I mean? It's like, how am I supposed to afford this? So yeah, aside from that, that's what we got right here, NICOLE HAUSE's. Let's get into some B-roll shots and then the outro. Anyways, guys, that's what I can say about the NICOLE HAUSE SB Dunk Low. Just a quick little review. The other one with the chain or bike chain is in the box, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, overall pretty nice. I think they're a bit underrated. I'm not a huge fan of the blue plaid, but I really like the insoles on them, and I think that portion right there on the back with the Nike logo is pretty good. Leather quality's nice. Lots of positives about this pair, you know what I mean? So I like it. So, you know, if you guys want more content like this, again, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Just trying to 300 likes on this video. Just lets me know these are the types of reviews y'all want more of. Just more unboxings and, you know, just kind of discussing the pair. Things like that. I can do it. You know, we did it with the Wizard of Oz. Kind of a little on-feet review. If y'all want that, let me know. I can maybe do that for this shoe. And, yeah, again, feel free to check me out. My IG's down below. Tons of stuff for sale in my store. If you're interested in anything, let me know. Us at Resale Vision. Hey, if you want a chance to win pair of these for free, make sure you guys stay tuned. Wizard of Oz SB giveaway on Christmas Day. We're launching that. So make sure you guys get in there. Resale Vision, the undermarket sneakers we do every day too. You can see some of those. Got the schedule coming up in a day or two. I've been a bit delayed in that, but for week 20. So yeah, we've been grinding out, you know, staying consistent in there. So I appreciate all you guys. Shout out all my members in there. Got tons of more deals dropping tonight. I appreciate you guys for always being patient with me. And yeah, because, you know, we just wrapped up exams. So I've been very, 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 very busy lately. A lot more than usual. But we'll be, you know, kind of toning it down into this weekend. And next week we'll be fairly chill. Just going to be able to focus on shoes and all that. And then, you know, it'll be really nice. So I'm T. Thank you, guys. Let me know how y'all are feeling about the NICOLE HAUSE's. Overall, I think they're pretty good. So we'll leave it at that. It's like a 7 out of 10. Not amazing. Not great. But good. You know, you'd want them. So maybe. I don't know. Depends who you are. So I'll catch you all in the next one tomorrow. See you guys then. All that I mentioned, it's in the pinned comment. Check it out. Peace.